Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Build Your Career. Here is another opportunity to make your career bright. So, in this video, we are going to discuss two job openings from the Amazon company. Here, Amazon is hiring in mass. So, this is the awesome chance to get a new job for yourself. So, in this video, we are going to see about job post, eligibility criteria, job description, required skills, salary for these job roles, and how you will be applied for this job. So let's see the first job. Here is an opportunity for students who wanted to do job in a technical field and also in non-technical field. There are both opportunities. So first of all, let's see the technical job firstly. So here is a job for the role of a device associate from Amazon company. First of all, let's see the qualifications requirements for this job post. So here for this job role, if you completed your graduation in BE, BTech, MSc in IT or MCA, you are eligible to apply for this job role. Here are some skills required for this job role, which is first skill is you have a good communication skill, then you have basic testing knowledge and also analytical skills. These are the basic qualification skills and also preferred skills. So you are good in communication, testing and analytical skills. You will be preferred candidate for this job role. To increase your chances to get hired or to be get selected for this job role, you have to build your resume effectively, and second thing, you have to give your 100% and best performance during your interview. So these will be the two things to increase your chances to get hired for this job post. So coming to the job description and what will be your works during this job. First of all, you have to ensure to execute test cases, prepare for testing software builds on the mobile platform. So job will be on software testing. You have to test the softwares, they are working properly or not. Of course, the training will be provided you to during your training period. There are not so much requirement for this job role, so make sure to apply for this job post. Then your next work will be perform daily quality checks as per established guidelines and reports deviations accurately. So you have to test the softwares and make the report whatever it will be. Then you have to understand and ramp up on testing procedures, guidelines and policies for new devices and apply the same in day-to-day work. So this will be your work. Then you have to use software tools for validation, analysis and data capture on daily basis. Again, be comfortable with capturing results, communicating and escalating failures to provide status reports. So these will be your job roles and responsibilities for the job of a device associate in Amazon. The location for this job is Chennai, but during COVID and pandemic situation and not get over, you have to work from home. So this is an work from home job role until the pandemic. So if you are interested in this job role, you can apply. So coming to the non-technical job role, which is an associate role in quality services. First of all, we will see the basic qualification for this job role. A graduate in any field of a study, quantitative field such as a science and engineering preferred but not mandatory. So here, if you are completed your graduation in any field, you can apply for this job role. But you are from science background, you are preferred candidate. But art students and commerce students can also apply for this job role. Again, other qualification requirements are here. A candidate have to good familiarity with the Windows desktop environment and using the Word, Excel, Internet Explorer, Firefox, etc. are required. So here are basic requirements that you have some basic computer knowledge. And again, flexibility and interest to do repetitive task is required. So in this job role, you don't need to learn more skills and you don't have to get updated time to time. So here in this job, you have to do a repetitive works. What will be the work you have to do? We will see later in this video. So coming to the last qualification requirement for this job role, high level of energy and proactive nature, a sense of ownership and drive and a willingness to accept the challenge of a daily deadline is essential. So these are the basic qualification required for this job role, and this will also preferred qualifications for this job role. So coming to the roles and responsibilities for this job role, we will see what will be the actual role of the device associate in this particular company. A device associate's primary responsibility is to execute test, case instruction and report discrepancies. A DA is also responsible for successful and on-time delivery of results. So here is a basic work. You have to test some cases as per their instructions and build a report on that testing. Your work will be related to testing, and you are not alone to do this work. You have a partner also as a DA team, which will also responsible for the job. So coming to the roles and responsibilities, you have to execute test cases prepared for testing software built on the Kindle platform and Kindle software products. So basically you have to work on a software testing here also, and your work will be related to Kindle platform or Kindle software itself. Then perform test cases execution and report bugs accurately. Then understand testing procedures and guidelines for new builds or releases. Then perform regression and repetitive testing exercise to qualify builds without compromising on quality. So you have to maintain the quality of your work. Use software tools for data capture on daily basis. Then be comfortable with capturing results, communicating and escalating failures and providing individual status reports. Then raising all failures or doubts related to the execution of test cases in the clarification portal and closing the same as per the SLAs. So these are the some basic knowledge about your roles and responsibilities during this job. You don't need to get updated time to time. Just you have to do some repetitive work which will be they will teach you during your training period. And here again, coming to the location of this job role, the location is again Chennai, India, but during pandemic your work will be from home. So these are two job opportunities from Amazon in this video we have discussed. So before applying, make sure your documents are ready, which will be your 10th, 12th diploma certificate. If you have completed your graduation, then graduation certificate, post graduation certificate if you have completed, then your updated resume and your photo. So these are basic documents requirement for applying this job. If you want to get a video on the topic of how to build an effective resume and how to introduce yourself and how to perform in interview better, then please comment down and let me know that you want a video on that topic. I will make sure to make a video on that topic also. So this is the awesome opportunity. If you think that this video helped you, then please like the video. It will motivate me to make more videos on the latest job opportunities. If you want to get a notification of a new job updates, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload the new job opportunities video. So we will meet in next video, next job role. Until then, see you.